How to use single Snapchat account in multiple devices. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use single Snapchat account in multiple devices. Snapchat is designed to primarily be used on a single device at a time due to its security and privacy features. However, here are some things you can consider if you want to use a single Snapchat account on multiple devices. You can log in and out of your Snapchat account on different devices. When you log into Snapchat on a new device, you will be logged out of any other device you were previously logged in. Also, you can use Snapchat web interface on your computer to view and send snaps. For that, on your laptop, open any web browser and at the source bar type snapchat.com. Then press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Snapchat. Here you will need to log into your Snapchat using your email address or a username. You can also use this use phone number instead option if you want to use your phone number to access to your account. Now in this box, enter your username or the email address. After entering the username, click on this login button. After that, you will be prompted to enter your password. Once you enter your password, click on this next button right at the bottom to proceed further. Now from here, you can view and send snaps to your friends. Also note that this is the limited compared to the application, but it allows some functionality across the devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.